everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the Queen from the 9th to the 13th of May 2022 on Monday. Thando's world comes crushing down. Petronella unleashes hell on Schumacher on Tuesday. Bambata and Thando nest their broken hearts. Georgina finds that Schumacher has been dishonest and arrest him on Wednesday. Hector is caught in between helping Thando get vengeance and listening to Harriet's voice of reason. Schumacher can't get through to Georgina on Thursday. Harriet is causing logistic client because of Brutus. Thando put her revenge plan into action on Friday. Thando tortures Bambata as she looks for answers. Hector plans a raid on Brutus' house. Petronella is livid when she learns Mjege bailed out Schumacher. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.